Hello guys, today we will study about multi-level inverter, specifically for 5-level inverter. Okay, so this whole PDF is about multi-level inverter, in which 7-level, 8, 9-level inverters are mentioned. The multi-level are classified like cascaded, H-bridge, diode, clamped, and flying capacitor base. But we will study only about the 5-level cascaded bridge. Okay, cascaded. Because I have some simulation also for 5-level that I will show you in the last. So cascaded multi-level inverter. So basically this is used when there requirement of high power and medium voltage range. Okay, then we go for the multi-level. So this is happening. Okay. So multi input, basically multi unit of a single phase H bridge. This is H bridge. Okay, this is H bridge. So these units are connected in cascaded manner. So you will get a multi-level. Okay, so what is the purpose why we are using multi-level? To reduce the harmonics. Okay, harmonics distortion, that is THD. Okay, you can think about THD. To reduce the THD we are using multi-level. You are going for the multi-level, and we will study about highlighted points. These all are not important. This is a big PDF. So here you can see that single phase H bridge inverter is a basic building block of cascaded H bridge inverter. So here you can see that this is a single phase inverter, H bridge. Okay, this is input, this is output. So let's see the multi-level inverter, how it look like. Basically single H bridge. Here we have used multiple times, 6 times for 5-level H bridge. Here you can see that multi-level inverter with equal, this is important, equal DC sources, 5-level cascaded H bridge inverter. Okay. So E, this is a cell, this is DC. Okay, this is cell, we say that cell. This is a 1 H bridge, so total is 6 H bridge. Each leg means each phase carrying a 2 H bridges. So this is a three phase, okay, 3-phase multi-level inverter. So A phase, B phase, C phase, each phase carrying 2 H bridges. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, like that. And remember these names: S11, S31, S41, S21. So I will explain the switching table also, and you will able to understand the switching table. Now let's go to some concepts. It consists of 2 power cell per phase in a single leg. Means a single phase means a phase is carrying 2 H bridges. Okay, so to get the 5-level, suppose E will be 1 level output, you will see the waveform like this. Okay, waveform like this. So there will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So total 5 level. Like that you will see at output. Now let's go for here. So equal DC source voltage of E. I will explain the why equal and unequal means. Let's see. Let's go to some again concept. This configuration produces 5 level per phase. Okay, per phase is carrying 5 levels. Okay, so when switches S11, S21, S12, S22 conduct, then each output voltage is VH1 equal to VH2 is equal to E. Okay, so inverter phase voltage will become 2E. Okay, so each H bridge carrying E voltage, so inverter output you will see 2E. Means addition. So it's the voltage between A and N. So you have to see A, this is A and N. Okay, now let's go. So to the similarly, if you will switch S31, S41, S32, S42, basically you have to see this S11, S11, S21, S21. So these two are conducting. So basically this, suppose you are coming from here this way. S22 is on, then you took this path, then E voltage, then S12 is on, then you are following the same path, then S21 is on, then EE plus 2E, then this, then you complete the path according to this switching. Okay, similarly for this second negative E. So you have to understand this table basically. So if S11 is on, S21 is on, okay, so you will get a 2E, completely 2E when these are off. Okay, so just you have to understand the complete switching process. This is for first H bridge. You have to understand the second also. You just go through this table and try to understand, and keep it this image with parallel to this table so that you can easily understand. Now coming to this point, this is important. M equal to, so this is important formula. So M equal to 2H plus 1. So you are using here per phase you have to see A phase, here 2 H bridges. So put here 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. So there will be 5 level. So from this formula you can utilize it as a two-way. If you want number of pulses from H bridges, so suppose if you will put here 3. If you are using 3 H bridges, how much pulses you will get? 7. Okay. If you want number of pulses and if you want number of H bridge, use this formula. Similarly, here you can see that 7 level, 9 level inverter. Here equal voltage source. Okay, again equal voltage source, E. So here you can see that 7 level, here you can see that 9 level. Here you are using 3, here using your 4 H bridges for single phase. Okay, so unequal DC source means if you will use unequal DC source voltage like E, 2E, you will get 7 level. Only you will use 2 bridges and you will get 7 level. What is the advantage? This is the advantage you will get from unequal voltage level, and you will get 9 level also, E, 3E, like that. So this is very important, unequal. Again, this switching toggle you have to understand from the image side by side. You will get understand easily. You will get to understand. Okay. So I'll explain phase shift and level shift modulation. This is basically PWM technique. So phase shift means suppose this is your 0 line and your pulse is like triangle wave is carrier wave is like that. So second carrier wave will be some phase delay. Okay, this is phase delay. So this is known as phase shift modulation. Okay, and if I'll talk about the similarly level shift is a little bit different. Suppose this is 0 line and your PWM is like that. So level shifted means this is 0 level and the next will start from 1 level. Okay, next will be below 0 level. This is level shift previously. Now this is also important, like M-1 triangle carrier waveform. For the 5 level you need 5-1 4 carrier wave, triangle carrier wave, you need to generate 5 levels at output. Similarly, how much phase shift you required? Just put M here 5. You will get number of levels. That's the number of phase shift. How much phase shift you have to give into the carrier wave. Okay, this is about the phase shift. Okay, these are not necessary. This is 7 level phase shift. Basically, each carrier wave is phase shifted with the some phi angle. Basically, you have to use this formula to understand how much phi you have to give phase shift. 7 level we will understand some other day. Basically, okay. So these are not important right now, but we can cover it in an upcoming video. So directly we will jump to the simulation. This is complete Simulink diagram of the 5 level. So if anyone don't know how to use all this component into the workspace, basically go to the library and search here MOSFET. Scroll down, you will get the MOSFET. Just drag and drop. Okay. So all the component I have used like this only. Okay. This is power GUI. So you can search it. Double click power GUI. So you will get power GUI. Okay. So these are simple things. Let's go to the main thing. My source is here. You can see my source is 100 volt. All are 100 volt. Equal voltage. Okay, right now. Resistance is 100. You can put anything. Okay. Let's. This is just whatever diagram I have shown you in the explanation PDF. Same. Okay, just you have to take care that if you are giving any pulse to this first switch, the same leg switch should be complementary. That's it. Let's go to control. So this is my control. Okay, so here you will use the sine wave because SPWM we are using. Okay, so this is frequency. This is in radian. That's why 2 pi 50 f. Okay, 50 hertz. And this is carrier wave. Here this is above 1 because this is level shifted right now. This is after 1. Okay, below 1. This is from 0 upside. This is negative 0 side. Okay, like that. And switching frequency I have set here 1250. This is the frequency basically. This one is frequency, switching frequency. Okay, now let's run this circuit. It will take some time. Let's go to the waveform directly. Here you can count number of levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 level is there. Okay, so this is the complete simulation. Here you can see that 5 level 1, 2, 3, 4. So 200 I have given 100. Remember. So 200 means 2E. This is E. This is 0. This is E. 2E. So you will get the 5 level. Okay. If you will see the switching pulses, how switching pulses are coming. So this is your switching pulses. Okay, this is level shifted. Okay, understood how the PWM will look like. Okay, and why sinusoidal I have given 2. Okay. If I'll use this also, let's use sine wave also to see that how these are cutting to each other. Okay, so now you can clearly understand. See, now you can understand how level shifted it look like, how sinusoidal is cutting each wave, and how you are going to get 5 level. Okay, understood? So this is complete simulation. I have explained theory also. I hope you understood. Please write comment if you are having any doubt. And other thing, if anyone want to buy this project or this type of project for your college project or minor project or major project, any of diploma student, B.Tech student, M.Tech student, I have mentioned description. I have mentioned a list of projects in the description here for electrical engineering specifically. Here a complete list of projects. If anyone want to buy the projects, please go to description and check these type of projects. Some of our advanced projects, some of our intermediate, some of our premium projects. So premium project for M.Tech level is very good project for single person, and any B.Tech person 2-3 person can show this project students. Okay, so price I have here hidden right now, but in the description PDF file, to get exact price, to know the prices, go to the description, check out their PDF drive file, you will get the exact price. Okay, so and I want to also explain. So my project starting from 199 only. Previously it was 299 and I reduced the price, and with only 199 you will get SLX complete working project, simulation project. You will get the synopsis report, all the formula, all the equation, all the explanation will be there in the PDF, and you will get also PPT or PPT for your presentation. So basically report and PPT you can directly utilize and modify according to your college presentation. Okay, so every college have different format of extra report writing. So but all the formula you can get from a single PDF. So if anyone want additional explanation video how the control is working one by one, how to take component and everything, it will take some other 100 rupees extra. Okay, so I know you guys are very intelligent, you don't need that explanation video, but anyhow, if someone want, like, if in the future I will explain some more complex projects like closed loop, battery charger and all, so those need some explanation video, but this is was the basic. Okay, so the basically not is important. Project price will be depend upon the project complexity. Suppose this is a basic level of project, so some complexity was not there, but if you'll go for battery charger or grid integration type of, there we need a that is a complexity will increase. And this is important. If anyone want a customized project according to your requirement, your rating, your filter ratings, anything, just send your requirement. We will build the project of in a MATLAB Simulink and we will send. Okay, DM me and want this type of project, just DM me on my Instagram, Telegram or mail. Thank you for your support. Thank you all. Bye bye.